The new iPad 13-inch feels surprisingly lighter in the hand. It hasn't been radically redesigned, and also it does not sport an old display. iPad Air M2 comes with 4 color options, namely blue, purple, starlight, and space gray. The biggest change with the iPad Air M2 is that it now comes with landscape front camera. iPad display looks crisp and clear. Watching movies will be a treat on this device. iPad also comes with Apple Pencil Pro support and Apple Magic Keyboard Folio support. The new iPad is also 50% faster than the previous model. The new iPad Air might not be as exciting as the 2024 iPad Pro. Aside from being upgraded with an M2 chip, this could be confused for the iPad Air M1. Well, almost, as the iPad Air now comes in 2 sizes and finally has a landscape-oriented front camera. But after getting some brief hands-on time with the all-new iPad Air, I'm confident this will be the better seller. iPad Air M2 delivers an excellent balance of features with economical price. The new purple and blue color options are good-looking, and now iPad Air comes with all-new 13-inch model. It is a great alternative if you want a larger display. Faster Wi-Fi is also a bonus. So, this was a quick walk-around of the all-new iPad Air M2. See you in the next one.